Today we are going to discuss real numbers. Example 4. Example 4. A sweet seller has 420 Kaju burfis and 130 Badam burfis. She wants to stack them in such a way that each stack has the same number and they take up the least area, that is the underlined things, least area of the tree. It has to cover the least area of the tree. What is the number of that can be placed in each stack for this purpose? So what are the two conditions? It has to cover the least area, then the highest maximum you can place it. That should be in equal height. So let us proceed. See, you might have visited in sweet stalls. See, like a plate type of things will be there. They will just like a tray. So here they will keep one heap like this. Sweets they will keep it. That's one variety of sweets. So another variety of sweets also will be in the same height. Then the remaining sweets in this, if this left out the remaining sweets, means they will keep it like this. But you see, it is one different variety. This is one different sweets. But when you see the height, it will be same actually. Both the sweets height will be same. The remaining sweets they will keep it aside. But you see, it occupies less number of space, no. So that they put it in a display. Because if they put if they very less number of number of sweets or five sweets, if they keep it into same height of 2 or 3 sweets, it will occupy more space. The tray will not be sufficient to place all the sweets. So that is why, to reduce the space concern of the tray, if this is one different fruit and this is A type of fruit sweets, this is B type of sweets. That means maximum they will put it into the same height, and the remaining things they will keep it again also with maximum heights. Again with another things like this, means again they will keep it into the maximum height like this. If it is left out like this, means again they will keep it into the maximum height. Again if it is remaining there, means they will keep it maximum height. So like this, you might have seen this pattern when you might have visited in any of the sweet stall. It is maximum, the remaining left out with the maximum, again it is remaining left out with maximum. So then how many sweets in each stack? This is called stack. Stack means this is called the arrangements. Heap, it is called heap. Heap of the arrangements. So now we have two numbers. So we need to go for maximum number of burfis in each stack. That's what they are telling. The least tray means, least area means maximum number of sweets. It should be there in each stack. Then we need to go for HCF. HCF of 420, 130. HCF of 420 Kaju burfis and 130 Badam burfis. We will go for the HCF. So 420 is equal to, greater number we need to write. 420 is greater than 130. So that you write first. 130 into how many times? 130 into how many times? 4 means it will go 400, 500. 4 means 500 will come. So let us go with 300. 130 into 3. 390. 420, 390. Plus remainder is 30. Now 130 is equal to 30 times how much? 5 means 150. We'll go with 4 times. 4 into 3, 120. So remainder is 10. Now 30 is equal to these two numbers. 30 is equal to 10 into 3 plus 0. Now you see remainder, until get the remainder 0 we need to proceed. Now 10 is the HCF. See, HCF of 420, 130 is equal to 10. So how to write the answer? The sweet seller can make stacks of 10 for both the kinds of burfis. Stacks of 10, because that only they are asking. What is the maximum, what is the number that can be placed in each stack? What is the number of that can be placed in each stack? Each stacks 10 10 it has to be placed. Therefore each stack each stack 10 numbers of both the kinds of, or both the sweets can be arranged. So one stack 10, another stack 10, like that we can make. Thank you.